So, what do you think about this? We've got the topsoil back on. The stones are in place. Just got to finish this part here with the topsoil, the lower part there. But otherwise, wow, we have a start of a good garden. And I've got some seeds here. I'm sowing in up here wildflowers, and down here like a kind of earth enriching seed mix, and then the wildflowers kind of like in between down on the bank, and then I'll probably put like a stripe in along the road. Ooh, this is the exciting part. I've got loads of earth left up there as well, so we can make use of that. Oh, it's looking good. Okay, so it's looking a little bit different in here right now. The red bricks are disappearing. We basically got one room done today. There was a lot of set up until lunch, and then this part they did now, so that's looking really good. First kind of layer, and they'll obviously do it again. And it's so humid in here right now. Oh, wait. They did more. I've been outside with the groundwork, so whoa, okay. They've done this room too, and they've done this room. So we're seeing this first together. Haha! It looks like a concrete bunker, but these are the steps. So that's good, yeah? Just the bathroom and the toilet to do, and then the apartment here. All right. So back in the house, I haven't forgotten, although with all of the garden work it's yeah, a bit distracting with two things going on at once. So where are we? Here looks like they're just about to start. Yep, haven't been in here yet, so well, they started in here. So this base coat that they're putting in basically allows all the walls to take in the kind of correct amount of moisture, so that when they do put like the full coat on, it's drying at the same time. So this one looks like a little bit more is on there. This one too. I mean, gosh. Okay, so like it's a few coats they're gonna take on here, because you can see how much it's standing out there. It's about 2 centimeters, or it was. Now a little bit less. This is actually new. They've put this back on top of the foundation layer. So, okay, preparing. They keep on like moving and preparing. And here, wow, look at this. This is nice. This is a finished article. Look at that corner. Oh, pretty good. Looking up at the ceiling, the joints and everything, very clean. They protected the wood nicely there as well. Yeah, I mean, whew. Look at this space. If we're going to have grey walls, let's go a bit wider. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Good morning. Bright and sunny day. We got the foundations in yesterday for the shed. It's much smaller than the old hut that was up there, but we're not storing hay in there. We don't keep bees, so it should be fine for a garden shed. Keep on planting a few things around, things that we collected, like on offer and stuff. Apart from the trees. So the trees are really cool. We've got 4 apple trees, an early, which should give us fruit in July, which is this one over here. The Pyros. And I've got a Rotemund, which is like red mouth. So this tree is a autumn tree. It's a red tree, a red apple through and through. Then we've got a pear, a late pear. Here we have another one, Kronprinz Rudolf, which is a bit of a classic here in Austria. A nice tree, again an autumn apple, which is quite I mean, all of these trees are really, we've got them because they're hardy, winter hard, and they provide a lot of fruit, so they carry a lot. And so this one, which is the Wiltshire, an English type of apple, which is a winter apple, really good for storing. And this is the early pear, which isn't looking so happy right now. I'm gonna have to water this a bit more, but yeah. So pears. And then up there we've got a plum, and I'm not sure exactly the names of these two, but one is an early and one is a late plum. So they'll be nicely situated behind the shed here. So yeah, yesterday we concreted in the posts, and that's basically how it's looking right now. Hoping that some of my seeds that I've sown in the ground will come up. Lots of flowers and different plants that are good for the soil. Yep. That's basically how the garden's looking right now. And over there we planted 2 blackberries that we kind of cultivated from one blackberry, because they do like to regrow themselves, like root. So these 2 blackberries, thornless ones, we've stuck them in the ground now too, so they can get going. It's kind of a crazy mess inside the house right now. The plasters are really going for it. They're almost done on the upstairs, but it's just like, I mean, it's just a mess everywhere on the floor, so it's like hard to work in there as well while they're doing it. So once they're done, I think they'll be moving downstairs today, maybe tomorrow, and got to get all the plugs and sockets kind of dug out, because they just plastered over them, and we put like covers over the top, so we can just dig them out and then remove the covers, and then the sockets will be free again, so we could start doing the electric stuff, or we can continue doing the shed. Let's see.